Today I will discuss about how to make a speedometer from any percentage to 100% or versus 70% to 100%. So sometimes when you create a speedometer, most of the speedometer in YouTube they make it from 0 to 100%. So sometimes your data range, or if you want to show the data from certain percentage to certain percentage, you have to adopt some tricks. In this video I will show how can I make this speedometer. So you can see from here, if I change like here 90%, this speedometer change to here 90%, and if I change it to 70%, it goes there. So behind that, you see, if I shows 70%, the speedometer actually goes to 0% and it goes there. So how can I make this? So let's have some tricks in there. Let's see. Let's talk that I want to make a speedometer from 70%. So I write 70 and 71 and make it up to 100%. Okay, so I make it up to 100% in there. 71, 72, 100%. And for if you want to draw a pie chart, you have to make it 0 to 100%. So I say that this one is 0 and make all of them as a percentage. Take this percent, and this one, 70 minus 100, it will give you 30, and this range is up to 100. And you can see that each percentage is increased by 3.33. So add 3.33 with this one, it will give 6.7, and the next one will be 6.7 plus 3.33. So I'm going to make a formula to increase this one. So I said this one plus this 3.33, and this one should be locked. So I'm locking this value and it gives this value. So then goes to up to 100% and it creates a pie chart value. So now the next task is to build this diagram. So I go there, insert, then pie chart, then donuts, then select the data and add a series, and I say that this one is um, Chattanooga, and for that we need 1 2 3 4 5 6 slice. So I say 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then 6. Okay, you can also check it's 6 or 7. Delete these legends, delete this one, and there is no chart title. Then select this pie chart and double click it. It will give you angle of first slice, so it will be 270°, and the donut size I reduce it to 38. Okay, now the next step is to select this one and say this is no fill, and then the next step, select this one and go to format, and for select these colors. So I go there and select the color, then go to gradients, then select this one, and for this effect you see there is some source of line in there, so I go there, it's called shape effects bevels, and select this one, so it creates this one. And another thing forget to mention in there, so it's called outline. You see there is a white line inside there, so you go there, select this outline, and say the weight of this outline is 3, so it creates a nice outline in there. The next step is to make this color, so go there, select this color, then add a effect, say this one, and gradient is this gradient. Okay, this one. Okay, step is to put this needle. You see there is a needle in there, so I say that 20%, make it percentage, and clear this data. Then in here, and then be lookup, and say lookup value. So this is, and the table array is this one, and then column index is, I try to find out 1,2. It will be 2,1. Sorry, 2,1. Okay, so this one also percentage. Now you see the 70% shows the 0% actually. So if I say this one is 80% and check this one shows the 33, that means 80%, 33%. So this is the lookup value, and we will find we will make this one for our chart data. So you see a needle in there, a black needle. So for the black needle, it will be 1%. In here I said 2 minus sum of this value. So this 2 value, and it creates this one. So 2 minus 2 means actually 200 minus sum of this value and this value. This creates this one. So now go there and select data, and we are adding a new data. Let's say this data name is MEM, and select this value. Okay, now select this one and say no fill, this one no fill, and let's say this one is change chart type. So for this mem piece, this one will be pie chart, and goes to format, select the colors. So I make some correction there so that it will fit with that. Okay, so then choose the black color and make an effect, and okay, Now the next step is to put this one in there. So I goes to shapes and make a circle in there and make it black, and goes to shape effects and this one, and then again go to insert shapes and select this one and try to put in here. Okay, now this one is black and the transparency, I want to change the transparency. Okay, let's set this one, and effects is this color. Then the next step is to so I say there is no outline. The next step is to put this value in there. I go to insert text, then say this one is 70% and goes to no shape outline, no outline, and shape fields, no fields, and goes to home, make it 12, then make it white. Okay, bring it there. I want to make it more thicker. Okay, so make a rotation in there and try to find out a way. So copy that and make the same thing for others. This one is 75. So I'm making all of them. Okay, so I make all of them 100%. The next step is to put this value in there, and I create insert a shape, sorry, text box, and say this one is Chattanooga, and I go there, make this 140, black color, middle, and put in there and say this is, there is no fill and no outline. Then the next step is to put this one, so I go there and say insert shape, and I check that this is black color, and I put a number, this one, so I select this and this one. So this one is white, and make it center, then make it bold and goes for 40%. Okay, so now if you change in here for say 75 and look on that 75 and this needle. Okay, so it's come in here, and the needle also changed. Okay, so the main thing is that I am using this B lookup, and when I enter this value, the B lookup try to find out this value and try to find out where is this percentage, and take this percentage in there and make a -2% and create this percentage, and this percentage is coming here. So if you shows 2%, then the needle is goes to thicker, and if I show it 1%, the needle goes thinner in here. You can check in here. So I say this one is 2%. Okay, thanks for watching this video.